Welcome everyone to a journey under the microscope, where we'll explore the fascinating mysteries science has tried to unravel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of scientific inquiry, examining how scientists have sought to understand the world around us. Let's begin our exploration of the truth under the microscope. Our story starts with the most fundamental questions. How does the universe work? What are we made of? For centuries, these questions have driven scientists to observe, experiment, and analyze. Early scientists, often working with rudimentary tools, laid the groundwork for modern science. They observed the stars, studied plants, and experimented with basic chemicals, constantly trying to explain the world. As technology advanced, so did our ability to observe and understand. The invention of the microscope was a pivotal moment. It allowed us to see things previously invisible, opening up entirely new realms of study. We started to see cells, bacteria, and other microscopic wonders which revolutionized biology and medicine. This new perspective changed the way we thought about life and disease. But the microscope wasn't the only tool to advance our understanding. Telescopes enabled us to peer into the vastness of space. Spectroscopes revealed the composition of stars and galaxies. And the development of increasingly powerful computers allowed us to model complex systems, from weather patterns to the structure of molecules. Throughout history, science has been a process of trial and error. Theories are proposed, tested, and sometimes discarded. New evidence leads to new understandings. This is the beauty of science, it's constantly evolving. Consider the evolution of our understanding of the atom. From Democritus's simple idea of indivisible particles to the complex models of today, our knowledge has grown exponentially. One of the most remarkable aspects of science is its collaborative nature. Scientists around the world share data, challenge each other's ideas, and build upon each other's discoveries. This global effort has accelerated our progress, leading to breakthroughs in areas such as medicine, energy, and communication. However, the path of scientific discovery hasn't always been smooth. Scientists have faced skepticism, resistance, and even persecution. But through it all, the pursuit of knowledge has persisted. Today, science continues to push boundaries. Researchers are exploring the depths of the ocean, the far reaches of space, and the intricacies of the human brain. So, what does the future hold? New technologies promise even greater insights. Artificial intelligence, advanced imaging techniques, and personalized medicine are just a few examples. The journey under the microscope will continue, and we can expect even more amazing discoveries in the years to come.